Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to use an external storage device with iPhone. Step 1. Your iPhone with USB-C ports can connect directly to USB-C storage device, but older iPhones with Lightning ports will need adapters to do the same. Step 2. If you are using a Windows computer to change the drive format, connect the drive to a computer, right click it, click format and choose a compatible format under file system. Note that formatting the external storage will delete all data on it. iPhone support external storage devices that are formatted as XFAT32. FAT step 3. Connect your iPhone to external storage device securely using the appropriate adapter or cable. Your iPhone should recognize the external storage in a few seconds. Step 4. On your iPhone, open the Files app and you find the external storage device under Locations. Tap it to view the files inside. You can also copy or move files from your iPhone to the external storage device or vice versa. Long press the files you want to transfer, choose copy or move, and then navigate to the folder you want to shift the files to. Once in the new folder, long press anywhere and select best step. Step 5. To ensure the files don't get corrupted, don't disconnect the external storage abruptly during a file transfer. Although you can safely pull out the external storage when there is no active file transfer, it can sometimes damage or delete data, and unlike on the PC, there is no option to eject the storage while the iPhone is on, so the safest way to disconnect is to turn off the iPhone and then unplug the storage. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.